Okay, buckle up friends, because today we are diving into something that can seriously impact your driving safety: a faulty power vacuum brake booster check valve. And trust me, you don't want to ignore this. Hello, friends, welcome back to our Weekly Tools channel. Now, if you are like me, you rely on your car to get you from point A to point B safely. But sometimes, those little hidden components can cause big headaches. Today, we are talking about a tiny but crucial part of your braking system: the power vacuum brake booster check valve. And believe me, when this little guy goes bad, it can make your brakes feel, well, let's just say, less than reassuring. Where is the vacuum check valve located? A vacuum check valve is installed in the accessory vacuum supply line in the engine compartment, near the vacuum tap on the engine intake manifold. The vacuum check valve is designed to allow vacuum to flow in only one direction through the accessory vacuum supply circuits. Engine load, low, engine vacuum, operation. Now let's talk about 5 symptoms of a faulty brake booster check valve. The first symptoms: hard brake pedal. This is the big one. Friends, if your brake pedal suddenly feels like you are trying to push a brick, that's a major red flag. It's like your car is saying, nope, you're on your own here. And honestly, that's a scary feeling. The next symptoms: increased stopping distance. Because your brakes aren't getting the boost they need, your car will take longer to stop. This is especially dangerous in emergency situations. Imagine trying to stop quickly and, well, you can imagine the rest. The third symptoms: engine idles, rough, or stalls. The vacuum leak caused by a faulty check valve can mess with your engine's air-fuel mixture. This can lead to a rough idle or even cause your engine to stall. Not only is it inconvenient, but it can also be dangerous if it happens at the wrong time. The fourth symptoms: hissing sound from the engine bay. That hissing sound, it's the sound of escaping vacuum. If you hear it, it's a sign that the check valve, or a vacuum line, is leaking. It's like your car is whispering, "I need help." The last symptoms: brake pedal feels spongy or inconsistent. Instead of a firm, consistent feel, your brake pedal might feel spongy or inconsistent. It's like trying to step on a marshmallow, not exactly confidence-inspiring when you are trying to stop a ton of metal. Now, I know this can sound a bit alarming, but don't panic. If you are experiencing any of these symptoms, it's crucial to get your car checked by a qualified mechanic as soon as possible. Driving with faulty brakes is extremely dangerous. The good news is, replacing a brake booster check valve is usually a relatively simple and inexpensive repair. So, get it fixed, get your car back to its safe and reliable self, and get back to enjoying the open road. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more automotive tips and tricks. Don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions.